What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I'm just going to jump right into this video because I'm in my e-wallet in Warrior Plus, and I have some earnings here, a balance of 425.47, and this was generated by one email that I sent out over a week ago. And I'll go ahead and refresh this real quick so you guys see that it's real. And so what I want to do today is I want to show you guys how you're able to generate hundreds of dollars just by sending one email. In fact, I'll jump into my Aweber and I'll actually show you this was the actual email that went out. So I sent it to a portion of my list. It wasn't even like I generated a ton of clicks here. Basically had 209 opens with 46 clicks. And that was the traffic that I got to the affiliate product that I was selling. So what this tells you is a couple things. One, it tells you that you don't have to have a lot of clicks and a big email list to actually generate hundreds of dollars with your email marketing efforts. But it also shows you have to know how to pick high converting products so that when you do send little amounts of traffic or big amounts of traffic, that you're getting conversions. So this is something that a lot of people get wrong when they're doing affiliate marketing. They think that they have the best product and they're sending traffic to it, but it's just not converting. And the other issue that most affiliates have is they don't take the time to actually build an email list. So when you do build an email list, you're able to basically cash in on paydays or, pay weeks where you can generate hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars with one email or a couple emails. And you can do this like basically at the push of a button. And that's what they really call like push button profits, right? Because you're actually just typing up an email, you're clicking send, and you're making money and cash is spitting out on the other end of it. So in this video today, I want to show you guys how you can actually start building a list and creating income and generating sales with your affiliate marketing business. It's going to start right now. All right, guys, let's going to jump right into it. And so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is nothing more than you actually sending website visitors or traffic to a product, right? So this product could be a digital product, a physical product, or a service. But you're basically just sending website visitors to a product. And if these visitors actually purchase a product, then you in turn make money, right? So the best way to actually do this, in my opinion, is actually building an audience and putting that audience on an email list so that you can actually just tap into them whenever you need to. You type up an email, you send an offer of things, products, services that they may be interested in, and you can actually send that email out and then you can make money. That's kind of like what I did with that particular affiliate product. So the way you would actually want to do that in order to build an audience is the first thing that you need to do is you need to basically pick a niche. So you need to have a niche first, right? So the best type of niche is definitely going to be in like the health, the wealth, or relationship niche. So health is going to be basically if you want to help people lose weight or gain muscles. Wealth is going to be anything financial, whether it's making money online or investing into stocks. And relationships is going to be about, how to save your man or how to get a boyfriend, how to get a girlfriend, how to save your marriage, how to be irresistible to women and stuff like that. So these niches here are all niches that make a lot of money. So I'm in the make money online niche. So it's about like helping people to build a business online and make money online. So once you have your niche, the next thing you need to do is basically come up with a lead magnet, right? So a lead magnet is basically going to be like a bribe or something that you're going to give away for free to people that may be interested in that particular niche. So if you're in the health niche, you want to give away an ebook or a cheat sheet on how to lose weight very quickly. If you're in the make money online niche, maybe you're going to give a video showing someone how to do some simple strategies to drive social media traffic to affiliate offers to make affiliate commissions. If you're in a relationship niche, maybe you're going to come up with, a ebook, a cheat sheet, something to help you, have better relationships, right? So in order to basically give this lead magnet away, you need some form of website or some form of sales funnel to actually present that to someone. So what I actually use is this sales funnel, ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels, and basically you can actually create unlimited pages with ClickFunnels, and you can have lead magnets, and I'll show you guys an example. So this is an example of a lead magnet where I'm saying, hi, I'm going to show you a proven way to make 10K online in the next 30 days. So this is basically a blueprint. Essentially, I'm giving away a video here that's saying I'm going to show you a proven method, a blueprint that can show you how to make money online. So if someone wants to see the blueprint, they will basically just enter in their name and their email address. Now, you don't have to do a video. Like I said, you can do an ebook, you can do a cheat sheet, you can do software, you can give away all sorts of training. There's tons of stuff you can give away in terms of just building your list. But the point I'm trying to make here is that when someone enters in their name and email address here, they then go on to my autoresponder, right? So if I'm driving traffic to individuals that want to know how to make money online, and that I'm amassing this email list, then I'm able to actually send offers to that list and make money. So basically, here's the steps. So let's just kind of walk through the steps. So step one is you want to pick a niche, right? You pick a niche. Step two is basically build a lead magnet. And don't worry, guys, I'm going to show you guys a course that you can actually go through that will show you how to do all of this stuff. And then step three is you want to pick a high converting product. So let's just say high converting product, affiliate product, right? And you can get that from ClickBank, or Warrior Plus, or a bunch of different networks that are out there, right? And then obviously once you've got your lead magnet, you pick the product, then step four is essentially send traffic, right? So you're going to send the traffic to that lead magnet. They're going to opt in to your free bribe or giveaway. And then from there, you can actually go ahead and, send them directly to, this product here. Or you can have that in your follow-up series with the email autoresponder, right? And you can also broadcast, and that's what I did in this particular situation where I broadcasted an email to my list and made those sales. So if you actually want to learn how to actually kind of build a list from scratch, actually selling Warrior Plus offers, how would I go about picking high converting offers with Warrior Plus? How do you build the squeeze page, the giveaway offer, all of that information? I actually have a free course here. It's called the Super Affiliate Hack. And I basically walk you through step by step on how you can actually do that. And I'll leave a link in the description in this video for the Super Affiliate Hack. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay for it at all. As well as I want to give you guys another course that I created, and I'll have a link to this in the description as well. It's called Your First Affiliate Sale. And with Your First Affiliate Sale is I actually walk through the process of picking an offer, creating the sales funnel, and then also getting traffic. So I actually create the entire affiliate campaign right before your eyes. And I show you every single step, right? And I give you a lot of resources and information in Your First Affiliate Sale course here. Again, I'll leave this in the description of the video, and it'll be absolutely free. So Your First Affiliate Sale will be there, as well as the Super Affiliate Hack. You can actually take advantage of both of those free courses. Ideally, guys, you do want to take the time to learn how to build a list and have a solid email list that you can mail offers to, because yes, you do have to put in a little bit of work up front by creating a lead magnet. It's not very difficult at all, and you're going to see how easy it is when you go through those courses. But ideally, if you can just start building a list over time, over months, you will amass a lot of emails, and then it really is that easy. You just find a high converting offer and you can send an email to your list, and then you can make money. But if you never take the time to build a list, if you don't do it properly, if you're not picking the high converting products, there's a lot of little nuggets, right, during the process of setting everything up that you need to do in order for it to actually work for you. So make sure that you go through these courses step by step. Don't skip, because the stuff that you skip is probably the main things that you might need in order to really make this work. So don't think that you just know something. Just go through the course in its entirety. Both of these courses, go through it in its entirety, pick up all those nuggets and get set up, and then you can actually start, doing this as well. So I told you guys I would let you guys know the product that I sold that generated that money for me, and the product is called the Funnel Franchise, and this is the squeeze page for it. And essentially you're giving away a free training membership where you can actually get a free funnel. So if you guys don't have a funnel set up, you can actually get a free funnel with Funnel Franchise. And there's some upsells in there, of course, and I actually do a whole review of the Funnel Franchise. I have a video on that. I can leave that in the description as well. But you guys can go ahead and opt in. You can get a free funnel. You can get a ton of internet marketing training on email marketing, on how to build a list, and how to build funnels, how to get traffic to your actual funnel, and all of that. And I'll leave this link in the description of the video. You guys can check it out. So it does have great training, but you can also earn affiliate commissions from it as well. And so I'll leave the link to Funnel Franchise in the description of this video, as well as one of my reviews of Funnel Franchise. You guys can see the inside of it. So I hope this made sense, guys. The whole point of this video is to take the time to build your list, no matter what niche you're in. You need to build a list, give away a free bribe, start amassing people on your list, because that's going to be the easiest, the fastest way to make money on demand, because you have those people at your fingertips. You just type up an email and you can press send, and then you can make money. So I encourage all of you guys to start building a list. Check out all the links and the resources in the description below and get started building your list and doing email marketing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button if you did, guys. If you want more videos just like this, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.